early morning traffic on C6. Yeah,
Sir, it's better to buy here Saturday or Sunday.
Sundays. Yeah,
Yeah, it's better.
yeah, I know, but it's all right. I'm not in a hurry, so it's okay. Yeah. So one of the things that, as a foreigner in the Philippines, you will notice
What's your
is early morning traffic, rush hours. People are going to work, and those who were out for night shift, they are on their way back from work, and so on and so forth. So in the early mornings, you want to go somewhere, expect traffic. Expect traffic. All right. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning today. Beautiful Thursday morning. Uh, and I am out here in C6 Sampangita. I couldn't say much on my way here because of the traffic and the noise. I wasn't sure if I'll get good audio, so I'll just throw in the video of the journey right up to this place. So this is like a small marketplace where you can get chicken like this, locally raised, not the one that is raised in the poultry farms. Sometimes you just get tired of eating poultry farm chicken, and if you get to that kind of place like I have now, this is exactly the kind of place to come to. So this right here is in C6 Sampangita, Tai Rizal. They have goat meat. They have. Good morning. How much per kilo?
500. The live goat is 400 kilo.
For
The live.
live?
Live.
Oh, you have live goat also?
This.
I never bought live goat before. Hello.
This a live goat.
Oh. Hi. So many.
400 babae. 420 lalaki kilo.
So averagely, the biggest one is like how much? Like for instance, that.
This. Over there.
So
The big. This over there.
how do you measure? How do you weigh them? Wow, that's a ram, not even a goat.
Over there.
No, it's okay. It's okay. So maybe this one can be like how many kilo? Just give me estimate. This one, estimate. Yeah, like how many kilo?
12 kilos.
12 kilos. So 12 times 450. Wow.
A boy. 420 boy.
420 for the boy.
Girl. 400.
Ah, okay. Wow. So if we have occasion, I'll just come here and get a live goat. You kill and then clean like this.
This kill.
Oh, here. All right. So if you buy a live goat, they can kill it for you, clean it, burn it, then you just carry the meat home. Interesting. Sorry. Wow. How about pork, pig?
Pig.
You have? Or only goat?
Goat.
Okay. So this is like a live animal market. Get a live goat. This is killed, roasted already. They have duck. Hello. Hi. So usually this is where I come to. I'm already accustomed to buying from these guys here. Hello. Good morning. So one of these ones will go averagely for like from 400 pesos to maybe 600, depending on the weight or how big it is. So if you come here, you buy. If you want that they should kill it, they'll kill it for you and clean, and then you just take it home. So yeah, this is different from the poultry raised chicken. It tastes different. It's a little stronger. Take this one, let's see. Let's see how many kilos.
Hoy pare, pakinggan niyo ako. Ito ng tunay na Pilipino.
Galing sa baryo
sa pangbato, pumunta ng LA, nagtrabaho.
Yep. 520 with cleaning. Oh, that's big. So if you want a pig for your birthday party, to do your lechon on it, this is the place where you come to. That one is huge. So this is my chicken. I'm not going to film the rest of the process, but one of them is gonna come here, clean it up, or kill it, clean it up, and then they'll chop it and I'll take it home. So if you look behind here, I think the government is draining. There's like a swamp behind here, or actually like a river passage, because down that way there's a bridge. They're clearing it out, which is good, so that the water will not be standing, and obviously you know what will follow, mosquitoes and stuff like that. So yeah, this again is in C6 Sampangita, Taytay, Rizal. So let's go back outside and get somebody to come slaughter my chicken for me, and then I can go home. Oh, early this morning. All right. Yeah, let's check that one and see. 489. Okay, almost the same like that one. Yeah. Burn? Yeah, burn. Burn. So she just told me that there's no hot water for now to clean it, but these ones were done this morning. So well, I'm going to take her word for it. This is the same size like the live one that I just got. So they are going to burn the hair off of it and then cut, open and chop, and I will take it home. But yeah, this is how the place looks like. You know, most of the time when you get tired of eating the soft chicken, this is the alternative. They have ducks too. They have roosters. And they have eggs, because this type of chicken is like they are the egg layers. So they raise them to lay the eggs, and then when they are, I don't know, mature, they sell. So my Filipino friends, and I'm sure you know what the burn. You know what the, I don't know if it's pink or yellow eggs mean. Yeah. So the highway is the C6 highway. I don't know where it goes to from here, but this is Tai Tai. This is in Tai Tai. Lechon lovers. So many eggs piled up, because these chickens actually lay the eggs. These are like egg layers. So it's a pretty good business. You sell the chicken, you sell the eggs. So welcome to the live animal market out here in C6 Sampangita. Someday when we come, we're gonna get a goat or a duck. Oh, careful. Alright, let's allow him to do his magic, and then I pay. Alright, we are all set to go. There you go. Now I need to get a ride and go home. Unfortunately for me, my data is not connecting, so I'm trying to figure out how to book my ride home. But if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Hopefully I get to see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.